Let the fun begin. This was brought off to me Sunday night. F-250 is a 95 with a C6, by the way. Special order, I'm gonna guess, because I'm thinking sometime after 94 or something, the C6 wasn't available, and it was only available by special order. And has a list of things. I have to put striker bolts on it, or striker bolt bushings, what it's got to have. A hinge pin, someone's already put one in it, so you get to put another one in it. All right, yay. That's kind of different looking. Okay, well, I've had it since Sunday night, and I haven't had a chance to fool with it yet. A little rust. Yeah, he said the bed was kind of crispy. It is. And he said he's out of town, and he said that he had to have this by Friday night if it snowed, because he's got to haul a tractor. Okay, and I need some oil on the hood latch. Hold on. I gotta hang a throttle position sensor on it. He's adjusted the base idle screw and has some other similar running issues. And I'm gonna work on it and see if I can get it ironed out. He's told me some things he's done to it. There's part of the problem right there. Broken EGR vacuum line. He's replaced that, but I don't know if he's got it in the right spot. Okay, well, we'll figure it out. Probably should have got a ratchet. I wasn't thinking. Because the first thing I'm going to do is work on these hinge pins. And kind of the lucky thing is someone's been into this one before me. I'm going to get a ratchet. There we go, that's easier. Yeah, I'm getting this first because... No, he's not. But someone's been into this before me, so this is going to make the job a little easier. There's one bolt gone. And you probably can't see too well, but I made an outline where the hinge goes with the marker. Probably if someone hadn't been in here before me and already replaced the hinge pins, I probably would have just went ahead and pulled the door off. But I'm not going to do that. Alright, so that part is out of the way. Oh yeah. Now I'll just wiggle this pin out best I can. That's going to be the trick. And that part is out of the way. That'll hold for a minute. I ended up having to bust this old bushing out. And of course, you can see the bushing. There's a new bushing that sits on the lower, then on the upper, then the outer hinge fits over the top of it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and read the directions. Doesn't have directions. Okay, well. Well, I guess they figure you buy a part like that, you're smart enough to know how to put it in. Okay. I put some grease on these pins right there. It should provide for a little lubrication. It don't take much, you don't want to over grease it. Now I'll try to wrestle this outer hinge back into place and try to put the new pin back in. There's part of it. There you go. It's a little loose. Actually, it needs a new hinge. Yeah, you can see it's still got a little bit of play in it. Yeah, that's better than it was. Now I'll just go ahead and bolt it back on, and we should be good. I'll have to get a cotter pin and put it in the bottom of it. There's one. And now for the lower. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell him next time I see him, he's going to have to put a door hinge on it. Well, he'll probably see this in the video anyway. Getting kind of late. It's been a busy week. Make sure all my marks line up like they're supposed to, and they do. Well, it's better than it was. Okay, now the next step is the striker bushings. I have a T-50 Torx, and I just made a small mark where the striker bushing adjusts. Now we just unthread it. And voila, it comes off. Oop, it was a hammer. Okay, so, and this just unthreads. Well, it's supposed to. There we go. And you simply slide the new bushing over that and then thread it all back together. The new striker bushing kit comes with tailgate strikers and door strikers. I always keep a few sets of these around. There's always somebody wanting a set. And the door striker is the long one. It just slides on, and you just thread this back in. And you're done. And of course, don't forget to put the little insulator back on. And tighten it up. Yeah, that's always the hard part. Now test operation. It's better than it was. Yeah, you can tell the hinge does have some issues. What I want to do is I'll just lower the striker a little bit. It should fix it. It's better. It probably never will be quite right. Not until it gets a door hinge put on it. I soaked the inner door latch mechanism with some penetrating oil. That loosened it up some. That was part of the problem. Maintenance has not been a regular part of this truck anyway, or at least minor or body maintenance anyway, I should say. Alright, I think I've got it now. Okay, that's tight. I had to make a few adjustments right here. But, as you can see, well, I'm going to do it now. Oh, so that's what the problem is. I can fix that. But it closes with a little bit of effort, and I could probably lower that down just a skosh, but I'm afraid what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase a gap up here, and he's going to have some wind noise. So probably what I'm just going to do is just leave it at that. I mean, it shuts better now than it ever did, so that should be good. Yeah, I wonder who's been in it before. So, new hinge pin. And like I said, it has a bushing that goes in here, and a bushing that goes between this upper hinge and that, and it slides in from the top. Then the hinge pin drops down in the middle. relatively easy. And of course the striker bushing. He is also going to have the new cable inside. You can see that's already cocked. So I might be able to get it apart if I get time. Might be able to get it apart, get some diesel fuel in it, clean it, maybe, and get it where it works, but it's probably stretched already, so it's probably not going to do much good. You know, see if I can get him a window crank. So that part's done. And then probably tomorrow, if I can get a chance, maybe a throttle position sensor. I don't know. Well, anyway, I'm gonna call it a night. And thanks for watching.